How to see your Snapchat call history. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While there is no such option of call history tab on the Snapchat, here is what you can do. First of all, head over to your Snapchat and tap on the Bitmoji from the top left corner. Then after, select on settings and scroll down until you find the option of My Data. You will find this under the privacy control settings. Once you find My Data, tap on it. This might ask you to log in again using your credentials. Once you are verified and logged in, you'll be able to access your data. To do so, select the data that you want to include. It can be in HTML file or JSON file. Select your chat history and call history sections and then tap on Next. Once you tap on Next, you can select the date range that you want to download. Once you have selected date range, you can tap on Export Progress. And this way, all the data will be available to you. Once that is done, search for the call history section and check for your call history in Snapchat. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.